Today, we announce some relief measures. There are about 8 such measures being announced under the category of relief, 4 of which are absolutely new. Total to 1.1 lakh crore guarantee which is being given for particularly COVID affected sectors. And in that, health sector with a 50,000 crore cover receives attention for scaling up medical infrastructure. Here, the focus is on 8 non-metropolitan, meaning other than 8 metropolitan cities, the health and medical infrastructure in all other areas, all other towns, tier 2, tier 3 will be focused. So we are not looking at the 8 metropolitan, we are looking at all others. Here the guarantee coverage will be for projects which are totally new up to 75% coverage, and projects which are only expansion will get 50% coverage. The loan which will be given will be to a maximum amount of 100 crores. This guarantee will last for 3 years, and the interest rate for this health sector is about 7.5. It's capped at 7.95%. And if the focus within this is on aspirational districts, whether it is expansion or for new projects, 75% cover is being provided. And therefore, 7.95 being the interest cap, the top cap being given, considering that without this guarantee, you would have had to pay 10 to 11% interest. If this is for the health sector, we are also extending this to all other sectors, where 60,000 crores is being dedicated for the cover for that. But here the interest cap is at 8.25%. We now move to the additional 1.5 lakh crore for emergency credit guarantee scheme. You know, it was announced during the Atmanirbhar package announcements in May 2020. At that time, we had said it will be up to 3 lakh crores, of which 2.69 lakh crores have already been dispersed through the ECGLS 1, 2, and 3, in which, you know, first we covered the MSMEs, then we also included some other sectors, and the third one also brought in hospitality and others. And as a result of which, 2.69 crores have already been utilized. The rest will also be available for people to utilize it. Now we are enlarging the scope of the ECGLS itself, where it was up to 3 lakh crore. Now we are bringing in another 1.5 lakh crore. The next one is a totally new scheme. This is a credit guarantee scheme to facilitate loans through the MFIs, microfinance institutions. We aim to reach out to 25 lakh persons who are absolutely smallest borrowers from the MFI. And this would be a maximum loan of 1.25 lakhs to an individual. And the rate will be at least 2% below the maximum rate which is prescribed by the RBI. So the focus of this will be on new lending and not on repayment of old loans. So we hope to cover 25 lakh, the smallest of small MFI clients, which means MFIs are normally widely spread in the hinterland, which is really the smallest towns, very small towns, and therefore we want to reach out to them, and that is best done through the MFI, and that is why we've taken this route. We are trying to help revive tourism. We are extending financial support to more than 11,000 registered tourist guides, travel and tourism stakeholders. So this is a totally new one, as I said earlier. This scheme will cover about 10,700 regional level tourist guides who are recognized by Ministry of Tourism and tourist guides who are recognized by state governments. travel and tourism stakeholders, which is literally the terminology used to talk about travel agents, I suppose, who are recognized by Ministry of Tourism, will also be covered here. What do they get? They get 100% guaranteed credit of 10 lakhs for the TTSs, who are agents or travel agencies, and 1 lakh for tourist guides who are licensed either by the regional or the state level authorities. Once we start visa issuance again, the first 5 lakh tourist visas will be issued totally free of charge. This will benefit for any tourist only once. The scheme will be applicable till 31st March 2022 or till the first 5 lakh of visas get covered. You would remember that in October last year, we had announced that to incentivize employers for creation of jobs or to restore the lost employment, which is registered under the EPFO, we had extended a scheme wherein we estimated about 58.50 lakh of beneficiaries would be taken in and they would get this benefit. Now, as it is, since October till today, not today so much, 18th of June, about 21.42 lakh beneficiaries have benefited, and they are spread around 79,577 establishments. So this scheme now, which was valid till 30th June 2021, which is in another few days it was to get over, we are extending the scheme till 31st March 2022. The 7th of the 8 announcements on the relief, economic relief, pertains to something which was announced probably just a couple of days ago, that an additional amount of 14,775 crores, 14,775 crores is being provided for nutrient-based subsidy for the farmers. The existing NBS subsidy is up to about 27,500 crores. We have now increased it to 42,275 crores, which means an addition of 14,775 crores have been provided. The next one is just recalling something which the Prime Minister announced immediately after the lockdown was made last year, providing the poor with the food grains, Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan Anna Yojana. Again, just for the records, the total financial implication of last year and this year is 2,27,841 crores.